trying to take abuse. I don't care.
Stop!
You're embarrassing yourself. You hit my phone. You hit my screen. Like. Get it, drop it out your hand. I see it. You're holding it. You just put it down. It's on the pillow.
I have better aim than you. Let's see who's in the freshman 15. Rashawn Jones. Oh, no, that's not Rashawn. Is that Rashawn? No. Oh, that kind of looks like Rashawn. No. No. Oh, but there's Little Big. Just glad his vocabulary is bigger than Rashawn Jones. know who it was. You're nasty as shit. Bitch.
Oh. Where did it go?
Can you not throw it back?
Yeah. What are you gonna do?
Kick your face. Can you not? Chill. I don't want a condom penny war. Like, just don't throw it back. I'll rub it all over your pillow.
I would change the sheets.
Can you just not?
You know I'm gonna do it.
Can you refrain yourself? Can you have self-control?
Nope.
Oh, you fucking ass.
Where did it go?
I don't know.
Because you didn't throw it.
Hope it rots.
What?
Do condoms rot? Since they're all wet? You're not going to give me the back of your chair.
What?
I said you're not going to give me the back of your chair.
You just like, I would throw a book at you. A hard book.
Don't you dare. For real? Is that absolutely necessary?
Why are you recording me? Stop. You're an ass.
Am I fat ass?
Yeah.
Like how fat? Can you turn it up? You're a snake.
2, 3.
So Rashawn Jones loves Little Big, and he's a pretty little bitch. Obviously.
Shouts out to SOD, 100,000.